to Hosted by Chrissy. Today I'm sharing my latest Dollar Tree finds. Most of the items that I'm going to show you are going to be used for DIY projects in the upcoming weeks. First, I picked up several picture frames. I love these gold frames with the wider edges. They're a little bit thicker than the regular frames that Dollar Tree sells. I picked up several in the 8x10 size in gold. I also picked up the 5x7 size in gold and in silver. I grabbed a couple of bundles of the natural decorative nautical style rope. Of course I had to get a bag of glue sticks. I like to keep these on hand in case I run out of the ones that I normally use, but these work perfectly. They're just not as long as I like them to be. I grabbed this decorative wall art. These are wall stickers. You can use them on walls, windows. They come in several different quotes and designs. I grabbed one. I picked up a utility knife because my husband took mine and I can't seem to find it anywhere, so I grabbed another one of those. Just one can of adhesive spray. This stuff works great, you guys, and it's really expensive if you buy it in a craft store. I grabbed 2 bags of these acrylic gems. I don't know if you've seen these in your store yet. My store has had them for probably a couple of months, but I do really like them, and you'll see these on some DIY projects too. I also grabbed, in the craft aisle, a few bags of the floral moss. You know, spring is fast approaching, and I love to use this moss in DIY projects for spring. I grabbed a non-slip rug underlay. I just grabbed one of these. This is an 18 by 28 inch. I'm going to use it for a DIY project, but I won't be using it for another couple of months, or maybe a month or so when we get closer to the summertime. But I grabbed it because I was thinking about the project when I was in the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to make sure I had one on hand. I also got these adorable faux succulents and cactus. This is a style, both of these actually are styles that they had last year in the stores. At least I saw them last year. And these two, at least I don't remember seeing this one. I love the two-tone color, like the ombre tones of it. And this little cactus, I don't recall seeing this one last year, but I did pick up one of those too. I grabbed one of these moisture eliminators. I love to use these in my pantry on the floor. They help keep things like crackers and chips like really fresh. So these are perfect for absorbing moisture in small spaces. So I love to use that in my pantry. I also grabbed this little lithograph. This is just, at least it's kind of like a wall art, like a photo print. But I like the neutral colors of the flower, and I think it's, I don't know what flower that is. Kind of looks like a peony, but maybe not. Maybe like a gardenia or something. I don't know. Don't know what it is. But I like the colors of it, and I like the fact that it's neutral. So you'll be seeing that one in a DIY eventually too. And this little wax melt burner or oil burner. They had some cute ones in the Dollar Tree at Christmas time, but look at the scroll pattern on that one. I don't know if you can see that. I just love that one. I think it's very pretty. It's almost kind of like feminine. It's very pretty. I'm going to use that one in my office. This came in multiple colors, you guys. And I also got this amazing planner, speaking of my office. It's called Mom's Manager. It's a 2018 family desktop planner. So I have a calendar, a few calendars in my office, but I don't like any of them for what I'm going to use this one for. So I'll be using this one. It wasn't in my favorite colors, but I love the style of it. So I'll be using that one, and I'm sure this costs a lot more in a card shop or gift shop. a lot more than $1. It's a very nice calendar. So if you're on the lookout for any type of a calendar, make sure you check your Dollar Tree for these types of calendars. I also grabbed, yes, I grabbed a plunger. So you're going to be seeing this little thing in a DIY project. I can't believe I bought a plunger, but you know, because we all have plungers in our bathrooms, but this one's going to be used for something special, trust me. I grabbed a few bunches of these hydrangeas in the ombre pink finish. I thought they were so pretty and they just reminded me of spring. So you will be seeing these flowers in a DIY this weekend. So stay tuned for that, you guys. I don't know about you, but I am really trying to get myself in shape, and it is such a struggle. The older I get, the harder it seems to be. So I was looking at some workout videos or DVDs. You can tell my age when I say video, but workout DVDs at Walmart back at Christmas time. And I almost bought a Jillian Michaels DVD, and I thought, no way, it's $10, because if I don't use it, it's just $10 wasted. Well, I got all 4 Jillian Michaels workout DVDs for $1 each. These are brand new to Dollar Tree, so keep an eye out for those if you're interested in working out at home. I do have a gym membership, but I hate to go to the gym in the wintertime. And I also grabbed a few poster boards. This is the foam board. I had no idea it came in black. I grabbed a few of those for some DIYs. My last video related to favorites from Dollar Tree, I'll link that one down below, but we talked about food favorites and food finds. This is one of my all-time favorite snacks from Dollar Tree. This one is peanut, pumpkin, and cranberry nut clusters. I absolutely love these. And that's actually it from Dollar Tree. But next to my Dollar Tree store is another store. It's kind of an outlet store. They sell overstock items, and it's called Ollie's. I'm not sure if you have one in your area, but I did grab a few things from there. So I grabbed some Rust-Oleum Painter's Choice spray paint. This is a matte finish white, and this was only $2.99. I also grabbed, they had a floral buyout, you guys, so that was calling my name. I grabbed 3 beautiful bundles of florals. These I thought were just gorgeous, gorgeous roses. Love them. And I got the zinnias. See, I know flowers, I just didn't know what that other one was. Can't think of it, but this I thought was gorgeous. And the white roses. Couldn't pass these up. Not sure if they're coming through good on the camera, but I thought these were really pretty too. And I also got from that store, well, I'm not in the habit of buying clothes when I go in some of these stores, but I could not pass these up. I've been wanting some rain boots, these PVC type rain boots, for quite some time, and the Hunter boots are so expensive. These were $16. Look how cute that print is, you guys. So I kind of can't wait for spring because I want to wear my new boots. That's all that I have to share today, you guys. Make sure you like this video today. Feel free to share it, leave comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate your support. Let me know anything else you'd like to see related to DIYs, Dollar Trees, haul videos, entertainment, tablescapes. I do all of it. Thank you so much for watching today, and take care.